Ascendant Nation. So I'm coming to you with a fire sign reading, okay? Definitely remember to take what resonates, what doesn't. Do not feel obligated to make it stick to your life or your situation. Also, use your own discernment, okay? So things in this reading may resonate, it may not, okay? So it says the energy is gaining momentum. All right, so something could be significant about the color purple because you have a lot of purple and fire in your reading, hence fire signs. Okay, we have two cards on the board that have fire on them. All right, and one has purple also. So something could be significant about your crown chakra. Your crown chakra could be on fire. Something could be significant about your third eye. Your third eye could be on fire. Okay, so something about that. So, to further clarify, the energy is gaining momentum card. We have luck. All right. So I'm gonna tell you now. I was picking up a lot of different energies in your energy fire sign. Okay. Whether I'm almost sure I'm picking up energy that is your personal, is your own, and then I'm picking up other people. Okay, because it is a mixture of karma going on in this reading. All right, so we have luck. The number 32 could be significant. You could be saying 5 or 55 as well, or triple fives. Okay, something could be significant about a shift, hence the energy is gaining momentum. But we have jackpot, fortune, and reward. Okay, and I'm seeing the wheel of fortune in my mind's eye. All right, something could be significant about the lottery. All right, let me see what we got. We got 3-2 and 6-3. All right, so 3-2-6-3 could be significant. All right, because we have the imagination card here too. All right, so something could be significant about because every time this imagination card comes out in this deck, it gives me dream energy. So something could be significant about your goals, your dreams, or something of that nature. Okay. Something could also be significant about someone being in their head. All right, I'm picking that up as well. To further clarify that, we have drinking, toxic lifestyle. So something could be significant. This could be you, fire sign, or cross watcher. But something is significant about someone who lives a toxic lifestyle. Okay, this person could not even, they could be a person who strictly believes in luck. Okay, that's what I'm picking up, and don't believe in karma. That's what I'm picking up off of this card. All right. Something could be significant about white liquor as well. Okay. We have massive regret. So whomever this is in massive regret now. All right. They're regretting something that they did. Okay. They could have did it for luck. All right. That's what I'm getting. Okay. To further clarify this, we have running, kissing ass, and played out. All right, so someone could be trying to run from some type of karma because, like I said, I'm picking up two different ends of karma here. All right, so whoever this individual is, something here about kissing ass. All right, so this could be some type of people pleaser or something like that. All right, something could be significant about flowers as well because this card here has flowers on it. All right, but whatever it is, Spirit is saying it's played out, or whoever this is, Spirit is saying they are played out. Okay, and then on this played out card is running there. It's more running on this played out card, cause so whoever this is known for running. Okay. Next we have the wailing tree. Okay, something could be significant about somebody whining, but we have the wailing tree, and it's more fire on this card. So something could be even more significant about when it comes to the element of fire. Okay, hence I've been seeing or noticing that there have been a lot of fires. Okay, whether it's car fires, home fires, explosions, crashes. It's been a lot of fires I've been seeing. Okay, volcanoes, just something is significant about the fire element. Okay, very, very, very significant. So reconciliation, all right, so something about reconciling, all right, this individual whose spirit is saying is played out could want to reconcile in some way, shape, or form. All right, they are in massive regret, okay? The number 59 could be significant also, okay? So to further clarify that, we have stress. All right, so somebody is very, very stressful here, okay, or very, very stressed out. All right, and we have headache, pressure, lack of sleep. So whomever this is has not been getting any sleep. The number 73 could be significant. The number 10, all right. So we do have 10 is about, you know, completions, endings, and new beginnings. All right, so whomever this is, and then we got the reconciliation card. All right, so someone wanting to, I feel like something is coming to an end, and someone does not want it to end. That's what I'm getting. All right, and then we have conflict. It says difference, dispute, quarrel. All right, the number 30 could be significant. So something about people fighting, like some type of fight, some type of dispute. This came out in another reading that I did. Okay, so something about that. Hence, this could be, we're doing fire signs. So like passion, like something about someone being like, I'm getting like fatal attraction energy. Okay, all right. Next we have shady. So whomever this is a shady individual, okay, and the person on this card has a mask on. So something could be significant about someone wearing a mask, okay. Next we have my way, selfish, stubborn, arrogant, pride, and ego. So whoever this is, they wear a mask, okay. They're very egotistical, very prideful, very arrogant, very selfish, okay. But someone is highly stressed out. To further clarify this, we have threatening, intimidating, threatened, bothered. So whomever this is bothered by you or someone you're connected to, okay? Or it could be the both of you, all right? But someone is very, very bothered. Next, we have beloved, radical acceptance. All right, the number 2 could be significant. Something could be significant about Phoenix. Someone can have a Phoenix tattoo. Okay. To further clarify this, we have a reservation. So something could be significant about a reservation, desire, worth, extravaganza. The number 29 could be significant. 11 could be significant. Something could be significant about justice. Okay, we have gain, 25. All right, so something could be significant about 29, 25, or 25, 29. I'm getting February 9th, February 5th, May 2nd, and September 2nd. Okay, so something significant about these numbers. Someone could have done something here for gain, and I was picking up the Marian and they're doing spell work, but I was picking up the Marian for money energy. Okay, someone could have tried to do this to keep someone away from their divine feminine or their divine counterpart. All right, because we have pregnancy, fake news, DNA, and then we have divine feminine. All right, so someone could have definitely did this to keep this someone from someone else. All right, and then we have marrying for money. So someone lied about a pregnancy, whether this is past, present, or future energy. But someone lied about a pregnancy because they wanted to marry for money, or they lied and did end up getting married for money. Okay, but now it could be coming out that the child, like some type of DNA, because I know I had a reading yesterday where DNA did come out, like it was some court situation going on and DNA did come out. So someone could have lied about a child being someone else's, and they ended up marrying them, and then it's coming out that it's not. Okay, that's what I'm picking up here. So that is everything I have for you, fire signs. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next reading.